Hey guys, so this is going to be a quick video about learning from your mistakes. So in this one I'm just talking about a blind left turn. Now I know this is probably not the best example, but let's just say we are here and we cannot see here, right? Because there's some or the other obstacle that's blocking it. So, and this is just behind my house that this thing happened. So this is a turn that I take almost every day. Now normally I would just come and turn left, right? That's what you all would do. That's the normal thing that people would do, right? However, this particular day, as always, I tend to slow down when I approach such kind of a blind left turn. So I did that day as well. To my surprise, on this particular day, one thing that I found was that there was a bus over there, right? And luckily it was on the right side of the road where it's supposed to be. So I could have come and I could have taken a left, right? So that was totally okay. So I still, as my routine, came up to it and I slowed down. At this point of time, and exactly at this point of time, I see a car zooming right past me. And the car was, of course, trying to overtake the bus without thinking that it's an intersection and there could be someone coming from the other side. I had to brake real hard, even though I was really slow. I mean, even if you're in a speed of 10, if a car comes up so close, you still have to brake hard, right? And this guy actually wanted to go this way, so he actually came here and stopped. Luckily, I was able to stop just before I hit the car. Trust me, it was hardly any inches left from me banging into the car. So, of course, I think it was my basics that helped me, that you need to slow down on intersections. And this guy, of course, was a cab driver who had no clue about these kind of rules, so he just went like that. So guys, learn from other people's mistakes, don't let it happen to you. Please slow down on every intersection, even if it's a left turn that you've taken 100 times, 99 times it's been empty, but even if that one time, if you get a car, you will bang into it. So let's take care of ourselves. Take care.